So there's the boy. Everyone, this is me, Muhammad Umar, a rescuer from Mysore. Received a call from Woodgalli KP quarter stating that there is a snake just outside to the main door. So let's find out what snake we have there. Along with me, I have Rahmat here. So we'll continue the video once reaching the location. So I've reached the location. Yelle? Illa? Torch ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? So we are breaking open this slab to get the snake. ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೆದರ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So there's the boy. So that's the Indian rat snake. ಇದು ಕೇರೆ ಏನು ವಿಷಯ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಇತ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, 2-3 ಕಪ್ಪೆ ಇತ್ತು, ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಂತ ಬಂದಿರತ್ತೆ ಅದು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅವು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ನನಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು?
ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅವು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
ಹೆಡೆ ನಾಗರಾವ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದು, ಹೆಡೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾವು ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಅಂತೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾವು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗ್ ಊಟ ಇದು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. So guys, this is the Indian rat snake which usually resembles Indian cobra. So we rescued here below the slabs in front of the house, and this is a non-venomous and harmless snake to humans. So we try to convince the people here to release the snake in that area where it is completely green, and they are very scared of their kids and other residential neighbors. So let's release it in a safer location in the nearest place. So Rahmat here is releasing the rat snake. Okay, there it goes. So that's it for a day, guys, and if you guys like the video, like the content, then do follow me and share it with your friends and family. Until then, see you next time.